Viewers and subscribers, this is Andy Ballentine video chatting with Lieutenant Stitchie while doing a live art piece. Yes, Andy Ballentine, world-known artist, doing a live piece from Kingston, Jamaica. Andy Ballentine will be the next Jean-Michel Basquiat. Watch this video to see why he will be the next Basquiat.
You see me?
Yeah.
So you say I done it now, I will call her, I will tell her I say I want a pearl. I want to send a picture, or if she want to allow me to put something around her neck, or neck naked, she want something around her neck.
Okay. So them thing are interesting thing where artists need to know and the world need to know how hard work.
Yeah, most the artists don't really know them things. They might work. The artists they might try to beat photograph. They might try to beat camera. You can't beat camera because camera created by a man. And the camera is here for purpose and a man create camera. So just stick in yourself as a man and create your own thing. So remember say a camera go through lab and all type of local thing of a build to put in that in your own inspiration come from God himself. So once God put an inspiration now you just work with it. So it's like if God give you an inspiration and a talent to do painting and you say, yo, I want to do this and I want that. It's like you go against God. You understand? And one of the things with art.
So hold on, so like for instance me we have built a channel where the person to me say, Laga, where you dealing? This moment me see you send food, no me see you send house. So that means but what if you understand to me is I'm gonna do a whole heap of things. I still in my line of things still.
Yeah,
So.
use an all-purpose man. You understand? So
But what I know, but my father always say, mine in life me get a being that's going to be jack of trade and master of none.
no, but me only say use a jack of trade and master of none because I see you build You see a bill of van already. Me live to see that. Me see a bill of van. Me, I know a man come tell me. I was there when he was building it. Lager Benz. And they put
You know the only thing about them days, I never camera time, everything where you can,
So,
cut it down and put it back together and people say, oh.
yes, baby. But what may I say now, we most, alright, see painting speak to you. Brush speak to you. Alright, you have some time when
So hold on. But like when I play music, you play one music and the crowd get a vibes on the music and then give back a vibes and it make you drop on next music. So basically the same levels.
Yeah, the same thing. It's like, alright. You can't talk for myself. You can't talk for your artist. An ex-artist. See, art, like even this, and you are do it. You have to tell yourself, say, me I do it, and me I go do it because I'm the artist, right?
Yeah.
So, the same thoughts that go through your head, and the same thoughts go through one of the greatest artists in the world when him starts something. Him want to see it finish in the best possible way he can. And the same thing you want to know. But you have to treat your brush them good. You have to treat the paint good. Yes, Anna, may I do something? The soon come, baby. You have to treat the paint good. You have to treat your palette good. You have to treat your brush them good. You understand? It's like, that's why enough artists and get other artists and brush for you, because every artist paint different and they will curve your brush. You have some brush where you curve a certain way, so you know exactly where to use it.
Okay.
So when you lend somebody and then
curve it a
different way,
way.
you know, you're not going to get that work the way you want. But the point of me I try to make now is that art speak to you. Sometimes you will do a piece of art and you just not get it. So it just means that you need to lift it. Just like you play music and the crowd just nah move.
Yeah, so yeah.
And like you not playing when no other man can play.
Yeah.
I just the crowd nah move for you.
So you didn't even leave that
You
alone.
just know say you did get 20 minutes earlier and you're born a fire. You just know say you walk away. And the same thing with art. You dip on the artwork from mine and work with it and work. And you have a time when the art, the canvas tired. The canvas decides say it don't want no more work on right now. So you have to rest it, kick back, look at it, and then you see all of the problem them where you have, all of the fault them where you have, everything where you have. You
Makes sense. In a graphics work, when the graphics are the same thing. Like you design something,
yeah,
and you work, and then like after a time, it now respond and you leave it. And then you come back and you start look and then you start change things and you start get nice. Nice, yeah, me understand.
Right, and the same thing with art, but you see, as an artist, me always tell other artists say, don't watch what me and I don't watch what John Tom and don't watch your next artist, just do you. Because art is an expression of your mind, and when your mind you put on the canvas. You understand? So if me decide to paint Aki, you don't have to paint Aki too. You can paint breadfruit. You understand? Somebody buy a breadfruit painting and want the Aki to go with it. But you have to focus when you have the art. And your mind have to clean. If your mind not clean, that'll show in your work. You understand? Enough people don't know that. If your mind not clean as an artist,
you have to paint with feelings.
You have to paint with feelings. You have to put yourself in the art. You understand? Alright, me know artists right now where famous artists, but me know personal, who live in America. When him a paint, he's a man that use all a pin and juke him on. And when it a bleed, he just splash it on the canvas and splash it on the paint. Man put himself in it. And the next man he say, well wait, I'm a madman man and a sick man that do them thing me. Art is feeling, art is a part of emotion, sensor. You understand? So as an artist, sometimes you will around the canvas and somebody come and take up something from you, from beside you, and you don't even know. Because you blend into the art so much like that you don't even realize it. You're feeling in the art. And some of the greatest artists in the world, they put themselves in the artwork. You understand? So if you are an artist and you like to eat 3 pounds of rice every day, and somebody come around you and they might talk to you and ask you, just tell them say yes. Yeah, I like to eat 3 pounds of rice. Don't tell them say, no, I don't eat rice, or I just eat a cup of rice or I eat a spoon of rice. Because you know, you see, by telling the person that you take away a creative idea where they come to you.
Just by telling the person, say, you know, eat rice and blah, blah,
So,
blah.
yes. So just be you and be true.
Just be you and just be true to yourself. Because that is what art is about. Just true to yourself. So that's why enough time people, other artists are create work and it just now work for them. Because they're not true to themselves. You understand? Like me, you know, if somebody asks me about an next artist and me think him good, me just tell them the truth. Me just say, yo, him good. He's a great artist and me admire his style and his techniques and when he use him paint and all these things. Yeah, one next artist say, yo. No. If the man good, the man good. You understand?
So alright, like for instance, artists, like young artists. You know, you always have upcoming artists and things. And just like when, remember in the earlier days, when, not your talent, but when you start, I try to market something, you know? And then say, Laga, what you think about this? And I say, oh, this is bad. You know? Because you just a draw, you don't know how much it value, you don't know how much I get for you, just a draw. So what kind of advice would I get them? The upcoming and young artists.
Alright, me da really, you know what I say, me da really give the same advice when I always give every day to other artists. Me always tell young artists, say, listen, just keep doing you, just keep paint because you never know who I watch. You never can tell who I watch you. And then again now in this day and age where technology is a part of our life. You can't go around that. Just keep paint and put it out because back in the early days when time me just start out.
You know, I'm not technology. I hear technology, bring it come to we and say what you think.
Them like you and Shabba them and
So
some
all
man
these things, we critics,
we
we be a critics.
Who knows my Facebook and my Instagram and all them things. So right now, if me even check it at Instagram for y'all pay me royalty because a long time me have some man as my Instagram page and I show them my work. And I say, yo, look all this look. I wanna say, yo, that shot, you know, that can't show your world. Don't show nobody that. Don't miss it. You see me? So, at the end of the day, them young artists you know have the advantage that we never have.
Yeah, them have, they easily can get highlight.
Yeah. Because, alright, and as a simple example, I remember in 2017, I get the phone call to display my artwork in one of the biggest art.
to see additional part of this video, please click the link above or below to see additional part of this video. Yes. Thank you.